we have what we call the 8 C's of self-leadership. So these are the qualities that people spontaneously manifest when they access more self. And one of those is connectedness. And so the more you unburden your parts and the more space in your body that is achieved that way, the more you begin to embody that sense of connectedness, not just to other people, but also to something much bigger and spiritual. Because for me, what we're calling self is just a particle of this big wave of the non-dual self. And as people touch into that, they become spontaneously more motivated to try and correct injustice and operate in the outside world, which is, there are 4 goals of IFS, and the last one is to bring more self-leadership to the world. So that this is all tied together with what Fatimah was saying, that as people witness a demo or we do a kind of group process with a large group and access more self in any group, people do start to feel more that C-word connectedness, and they feel more motivated to change things, and not only in their individual lives, but in larger systems. So again, it's seeing that over and over that keeps me going.